Hello dear student, today in this video I am going to discuss about the class 7 history, chapter 1 and chapter name is where, when and how. The first topic is periodization of history. Studying history is important. It allows us to understand our past, which in turn allows us to understand our present. It provides invaluable insight into our cultures of origin. Means studying history is important because history allows us to understand our past. Also, it allows us to understand our present. মানে যেতিয়া আমি হিষ্ট্ৰি বিষয়ে পঢ়িম তেতিয়া আমি আমাৰ পাষ্টৰ বিষয়ে গম পাম লগতে আমাৰ প্ৰেজেন্টৰ বিষয়েও গম পাম. Then history also provides us invaluable insight into our cultures of origin. Means with the help of the history, we also collected the invaluable insight of our cultures of origin. History is a vast subject that cannot be learned in one go. So, for the sake of convenience, it is divided into 3 periods: ancient, medieval and modern, and this is called the periodization of history. Means history is a very large subject, so we cannot be learned in one go. So for the sake of convenience, the history is divided into 3 periods: the ancient, the medieval and the modern, and this division of history is called periodization of history. The second topic is the medieval period 8th to 18th century. The word medieval stands for Middle Age. In Europe, the medieval period is referred to as the Middle Ages by many historians. Means medieval means the Middle Age, and in Europe the medieval period is also known as the Middle Ages by many historians. And in Europe, this period covers from 5th century AD up to 16th century AD. But in India, this period covers between 8th century up to 18th centuries AD. Means the same medieval period or the Middle Ages in Europe cover between 5th to 16th century AD, and in India it covers between 8th to 18th centuries AD. And this medieval period is generally divided into 2 periods: the early medieval period between the 8th to 12th centuries AD, the later medieval period between 13th to 18th centuries. Means in India, the medieval period is divided into 2 periods. First one, early medieval period. Second one, the later medieval period. During this period, India witnessed various political, social, economic and cultural changes. Means medieval period or time ইণ্ডিয়াত পলিটিকেল, ছ'চিয়েল বা ইকনমিক আৰু কালচাৰেল বহুতো চেঞ্জ হৈছিল. দেন দিছ ইজ দ্য চাৰ্ট অফ দ্য ডিভিজন অফ হিষ্ট্ৰী. দ্য হিষ্ট্ৰী ইজ ডিভাইডেড ইনটু 3 ডিভিজন: এনচিয়েণ্ট, মেডিয়েভেল এণ্ড মডাৰ্ণ. And medieval period also divided into 2 division: early medieval, later medieval. Early medieval from 8th to 12th century, later medieval from 13th to 18th century. The next topic, terms used for Indian subcontinent. মানে ইণ্ডিয়াৰ কাৰণে কি টাৰ্ম ইউজ কৰা হৈছিল. During the course of time, the name of our country has undergone several changes. মানে টাইম চেঞ্জ হোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ ইণ্ডিয়াৰ নামো চেঞ্জ হৈ আহি আছে. Present day India, together with other countries of the Indian subcontinent such as Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan and Bangladesh, has been referred to by various names in the past. And here is a list of some famous names. The first one is Jambudvipa, means the land of the blackberry tree, and this name is mentioned in the ancient Buddhist text. This name was mentioned in this book. Then Bharatvarsha, this name was given after the Bharata tribe, which existed in the Rig Vedic times. Means this word existed in the Rig Vedic time during the Bharata tribe. Then Aryavat, the land of the Aryans. This name was given around 150 BC to the northern part of India. Means this word given to the northern part of India, and this one given around 150 BC. Then in. The Greeks call it in based on the river Indus. Means the Greeks call India as Ind based on the river Indus. Then Tainsu and Yantu, these terms were used by the Chinese. Then Hindustan, this term is derived from the Greek word Indus or Indos. Then Hind, this name was given by the Arabs. And India, this term was used by the British for our subcontinent.